How long is it gonna take? Is it a one visit restoration? Those are the questions that people seem to have, and the most important to them is financially. How much is gonna be? The most important thing is obviously having sit down with the doctor, and the doctor transmit to you the treatment plan and transmit a customized treatment plan to your needs. If you were not seen by a doctor, if you've been just rushed, then that's a sign, it's a red flag. Okay, so once you are sitting down with the treatment coordinator, you wanna understand the treatment that you are getting. So those are the things that you wanna ask your coordinator, or you wanna listen that they talked about. The final product, what is the final product? And you don't wanna skip in what are they giving me. And the cost. You want to know that whatever you're paying is start to finish. Now, everything that you're listening on the TV, advertised, and the flyers, they say teeth in a day. Yeah, we do that. So you come, you do the surgery, we place the implants, and we provide you with a temporary. So you need to understand that teeth in a day doesn't mean that's the final restoration. Very, very, very important is that you listen to the doctor instructions. So it's the same thing. You know, we're putting a temporary, imagine that's a cast, and you need to sit down for a couple months before you can start endeavoring in harder foods.